Collaboration. If you see boy with the Benjamin, Baja the CGC, RSA to the cut, man. Oh, so how we doing like this? 2009 collaboration. It's your boy Tama, your boy Dusun MC, and your cool Baja singer Rash. Come on. So my darling, darling, so my darling, 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 so my darling. Would you be my darling, darling? You can be my darling, darling. Oh, darling, so my darling. I wanna be your darling, darling. Darling, so my darling. Yeah, darling. I'ma break away to have some fun, and I'm heading out into the sun to dive the deep blue Sulu Sea and eat voodoo with sea gypsies. Taking a hotel on my bull. It's so awesome, so damn cool. Si Tante White and Uncle Chang and later sing si Parang song. Let's do the Mangalay, eagle from Pangalay to Sampurna for regatta, dancing on Lepa. Darling, darling, so my darling, darling, won't you be mine? Darling, so my darling, darling, won't you be mine? Darling, so my darling, darling, won't you be mine? Darling, darling, I'm my dear, your atama, fresh from the Tanaw, bulan 5. Say what's up to Bang 5. Show some love to some porna. Big shout out to Asbo, RASH is on the road, representing the Sulu Sea, living it up for the NBC. Come on, let's do the Mangalay, eagle from Kapalay to Sampurna for regatta, dancing on Lepa. Darling, go darling, magsulang solid. Let 'em know, Raj. Darling, go darling, magsulang solid. Won't you be mine? She's a cutie, sea gypsy. Dark brown skin, she's so pretty like green turtles at Langkayan, giant clams at Danawan, Barakuda at Sibuan, and the best of the best, yo, si Padang. So let's do the Mangalay, eagle from Kapalay to Sampurna for regatta, dancing on Lepa. Darling, darling, so my darling, darling, won't you be mine? Darling, so my darling, darling, won't you be mine? So my darling, darling, won't you be mine? You and I see why not born, and this is how we do, keeping it one big giant family. It's all about love, baby. It's your boy Atama, together with Putri message, saying hello to the land below. North Borneo, time to say peace, y'all. Yes, baby.